Striplox Shelflox Extendable. Strong, 510 kgs, 1,124 pounds. It's easy to use. It's lockable. No visible panel 32 system inside my carcass. We are going to use less substrate. Let's talk about the lockable part. This particular product actually has a locking tab, a small male part down this end here, which will seat into a female position just here, which will, in its full ride, will show that it's in a locked position. This product is actually a 100% hidden shelf support system. It comprises of one pair of components. You will have two male components called straps. You'll have two female components called straps. With these products, you will then have the smaller component which rides along each strap to determine the depth of the shelf. And the female version as well, to determine the depth of the shelf. The shelf depth can be from 215 millimeters, 8.5 inches, all the way up to 600 millimeters to 23.6 inches. That is the depth of the shelf going inside the carcass wall. To actually align the carcass with the shelf is very, very easy. All we're going to do is we're going to have our start position on our shelf. We simply put the female into this position here and put it into place. With the short female part, we slide this along to determine the depth of our shelf. As you can tell from here, the strap is too long for our shelf. So all we're going to do is we're going to snap this strap off. Now it's nice and short. Notice that our start position on one side of the gable to the other side is back set. We repeat this process for both sides of the end panels. Installing the shelf is very simple. All we've done is we've routed in to position using our hand trimmer to this position like so, and cut it. We've pilot drilled the position, and then we attach the female product into the edge of the shelf. How easy is this to assemble? So we have our carcass. We've started 20 mil from the side here. With our shelf, we've started 20 mil from here. The shelves opposite to offset by 12 millimeters are starting at 20 mils here and 35 millimeters on the other side. All we're going to do is we simply put them into position and slide, and you'll feel it gripping as it's connecting into the secondary position, and then slide it and lock it into place. This will allow it to be nice and flush. Notice we've only got one 16 millimeter edge here. We don't need to double wall. Again, our second shelf is set back 35 mils, set back 35 mils. Goes into position and slides. Again, it grips and then locks into place. Now we have a shelf parallel to each other with no panel 32 system, and it's locked. For further information, visit the Striplox website.